Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Guess what? Halfway through this week, and we are getting closer and closer to being done with our online learning. And I'm so excited that today we are doing some more fun activities. So, today you have a long vowel word work, which is when you have to move the letter tiles to make the word. Now it's not just one long vowel sound, it's going to be all of them mixed together. So you have to pay close attention to that long vowel sound that you hear in the middle of the word. Then we have a writing activity called Our Year, and you're going to write things about our class. So there's going to be some little circles, and in each circle you're going to fill something in about our class and things that we did this year. And for math, you're going to be doing counting to 100 by fives again. And you have a really fun science activity today. Let me fix my camera here because that sun is super bright over there. You're going to get to go to the Georgia Aquarium website, and it's going to be like a virtual field trip. So on the Georgia Aquarium website, they actually have live webcams. So when you click on the animal, you're seeing it live like it is at the aquarium, like if you were actually there. So you're going to get to explore their website, look at whatever animals you want, and then you're going to tell me about what you saw. Which, even though it's not the same as a real field trip, I think it's the next best thing if it's live, right? Because it's like you're really there. You're just getting to see it on the computer instead of being at the aquarium since we can't be there. So that sounds like a lot of fun. And today we're going to read a story about a special sea creature that you learned about on Monday, and it is a dolphin. So remember, these are my favorite kind of books, the National Geographic ones. They've got some really great pictures and some fun facts that we're going to learn about dolphins. So let's find out. And I know you guys already learned a lot because you had to do that research project on Monday. So let's see if we can find out even more. Here's our table of contents that we usually see in a nonfiction informational text, right? It's a dolphin. What swims in the water but isn't a fish? What whistles and chirps but isn't a bird? What loves to jump but isn't a frog? It's a dolphin. Fish or mammal? A dolphin is a mammal, just like you. Dolphins have lungs and breathe air. They get oxygen through a hole on top of their heads. Their tails move up and down. They have soft, smooth skin. A dolphin's body temperature is always about 97 degrees Fahrenheit. Dolphins look like fish, but they are different in some very important ways. Fish have scales. Fish have gills. Gills help fish get oxygen from the water. Their tails bend from side to side, so that's different than what they said about the dolphin. A fish's body temperature matches the temperature of the water it's in. And up here it says oxygen, an invisible gas in air and water that animals breathe in. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal that drinks milk from its mother and has a backbone and hair. A dolphin's life. A baby dolphin is called a calf. A baby dolphin has a small mouth. The calf smacks food against the water to break it into bite-sized bits. A calf can swim as soon as it is born. It drinks milk from its mother's body. When the little dolphin is about 6 months old, it starts to eat fish. This is a dolphin pod. So when you have a group of dolphins, it's called a pod. Dolphins live in small groups called pods. Some pods join together to form schools. A dolphin school may have more than 1,000 animals. Dolphins use squeaks, squeals, and whistles to talk to each other. Some dolphins in a pod are in charge of watching for sharks and other predators. Every dolphin has its own name. Each name is a series of whistling sounds. So I didn't know that. They each have their own name that they call each other, and they have their own kind of sound. That kind of reminds me of when we talked about penguins. Remember how the mother and the father could find each other because they had a certain kind of sound or a certain kind of song that they would sing to each other. Dolphins work together to catch prey. Dolphin pods will swim circles around a school of fish until the fish are tightly packed together. This big group of fish is called a bait ball. When the fish have nowhere to escape, the dolphins take turns diving in for a snack. Under the sea. A dolphin's body is just right for life underwater. Flippers help a dolphin start, stop, and turn. The fin on a dolphin's back helps it stay balanced. Its powerful tail pushes it through the water. When a dolphin swims slowly, it rises to the surface and breathes once or twice a minute. When a dolphin swims fast, it leaps out of the water to catch its breath. When a dolphin breathes out, air blasts out of its blowhole at 100 miles an hour. Ooh, I don't think you'd want to be in front of that if it came shooting out that fast. Dolphins have great eyesight, but the ocean can be very dark. It's hard for dolphins to see the little fish they like to eat on the ocean floor. If a dolphin is hunting alone, it will put its head to the ground and make a clicking noise. The noise hits anything in the dolphin's path and bounces back. A dolphin can find a fish by seeing it with sound. Ooh, what other animal did we learn about? A nocturnal animal that lives in caves that uses sound to find food. A bat, right? Remember we talked about bats, how they use echolocation and they bounce that sound off of things and then they know where the bugs and things are that they want to eat. This dolphin is using echolocation. You say it like this, echolocation. Dolphins actually use echoes to locate the fish they can't see, so just like a bat. Where dolphins live. More than 30 different kinds of dolphins live on Earth. Most dolphins swim in warm ocean waters near the equator, but some live in cooler seas north and south of the equator, and some even live in rivers. Now, when we talked about globes, we said the equator was that imaginary line in the middle, right, where it's nice and warm. So do you think dolphins like warm water or cold water? I think they like warm water too, right? The hourglass dolphin lives way out in the middle of the ocean, so this is a different kind of dolphin. The Hector's dolphin usually stays close to land. What's the difference? Have you ever seen a porpoise? It looks like a dolphin, but it's different. You say it like this, porpoise. So this is what's different. The top fin is usually shaped like a triangle, and it has a rounded snout and its teeth are round. Whereas a dolphin has a pointed snout, the top fin is usually like a hook or a curve, and their teeth are pointed. A dolphin's body is longer and leaner than a porpoise's body. Dolphins are more curious and playful too. Have you ever seen a dolphin with a long pointy snout? This funny looking mammal is a river dolphin. So they have big long snouts. They are slow swimmers. They don't usually jump, and they have poor eyesight. So they're different than a regular dolphin. Then this is an ocean dolphin. It has good eyesight, a short snout, and they are fast swimmers and often jump. River dolphins are smaller than their ocean swimming cousins. They are also less active and playful. Super dolphins. Super spinner. A spinner dolphin twirls through the air like a spiraling football. It can jump almost 10 feet into the air and spin up to 7 times. Easy breather. A dolphin spends most of its life holding its breath. A rhesus dolphin can go for 30 minutes without coming up for air. Deepest diver. Whales and dolphins are very closely related. In fact, some animals we call whales really are dolphins. The long-finned pilot whale is a dolphin that can dive almost 2,000 feet. The most amazing dolphin of all is the orca, also known as the killer whale. The orca wins almost every record-setting award in the dolphin category. Did you know that an orca was a dolphin? An orca eats everything from sea turtles and penguins to seals and sharks. A killer whale can swim 7 times faster than an Olympic swimmer. A killer whale can live up to 90 years, and males can grow almost as long as a school bus. Goofing off. Dolphins spend a lot of time hunting for food, and they are always on the lookout for danger. But sometimes dolphins just want to have fun. Dolphins make up all kinds of games, so they like to play catch, surf, and play tag. Dolphins and humans. Dolphins are gentle, playful creatures. They are also very smart, which is why people and dolphins get along so well. By learning about these friendly marine mammals, humans are helping to protect dolphins and the waters they live in. And then here's some of the words that we learned in the story. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed learning some more about dolphins, and I will see you soon for our 11:30 Zoom call. Bye, guys.